Navigating your personal finances is a great step toward financial health. But sometimes, you run into a snag or a question with your budgeting app. If that app is PocketGuard, knowing exactly how to reach their support team is key to getting back on track quickly. PocketGuard offers a few simple, direct ways to get in touch, primarily focusing on email and in-app contact. This is your guide to connecting with them. The most direct and frequently cited method is their support email, support@pocketguard.com. Whether you have a specific technical issue, a question about your account, or general feedback, dropping them an email is a reliable way to open a ticket. Make sure you use the email associated with your PocketGuard account for the fastest service, and be as detailed as possible about your issue. If you're already in the mobile app, there's an even easier way. You can contact support directly within the PocketGuard app itself. Just open the sidebar menu, which is usually found by tapping the icon in the top corner, often your profile picture or 3 horizontal lines. Scroll down until you see the Help and Support option, and then select Contact Us. This will typically bring up a form where you can choose the type and subtype of your issue, enter a detailed description, and submit it. Submitting through the app ensures all your relevant account information is linked to the query, which can speed up the resolution process. Now, a quick pro tip: when you're waiting for a reply, always check your spam folder. To make sure you never miss a response, add support@pocketguard.com and hello@pocketguard.com to your email contacts or safe senders list. Before you send that message, though, don't overlook PocketGuard's other resources. They have an extensive help center with articles that cover everything from setup to troubleshooting common issues like account connection errors and transaction problems. You can often find a solution there faster than waiting for a direct email reply. The Help Center is accessible through the Help and Support section in the app, or directly on their website. They also have a community on Reddit, which can be a good place to find peer-to-peer advice. So, to summarize, for direct support, your best options are sending an email to support@pocketguard.com or using the Help and Support-Contact Us option inside the mobile app. Knowing where to turn for help means less time troubleshooting and more time focusing on your financial goals. Get your question resolved and keep that budget on lock.